This is exactly how to play Rainbow Six Siege with controller on your PC. So the first thing we need to do with our controller here is to turn it on. And you turn it on, at least for me, I have to click on the logo here as you can see to be able to turn it on, or at this button right here. And now what I need to do on my computer or on my PC here is to go into settings. And now I'm just gonna zoom in here a little bit just so you can actually see exactly what I'm doing. So now I'm just gonna go to Bluetooth and devices here. And then I need to click on Add Device and then click on Bluetooth right here. And then I need to find my controller. So this is my specific controller. This is how it's called. And it might be different for you. Maybe you want to be able to use it with a dongle as an example, or with a cable. It's completely up to you how you can connect your controller. So now it says your device is ready to go, as you can see, which is perfect. So the next step for me is going to be to go into Steam and then click on the Steam logo in the top left corner and then click on Settings. And what I'm going to do in here is to just click on controller, and you can see my controller is recognized here, which is a good sign. Now I'm going to click on show advanced settings. Make sure to enable Steam input for if you have an Xbox controller as I do, or PlayStation controller. Make sure to enable all of those here if you're not sure. And that should be able to actually make sure that you're able to use your controller on Steam, which also will be able to pair automatic, make you use your controller on Rainbow Six Siege as well. And basically that is exactly how to do this.